Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and I am covering this up with a beach painting. I have been doing beach paintings all day. I'm really happy with the Australian Floetrol that I bought. I bought it from FeatherdPhantaseArt, if I'm saying that right, on Etsy. I will put the link in the description below. This Australian Floetrol is absolutely awesome. It is a way for me to get the waves the way I want, but without using silicone, which when you use silicone, there's absolutely nothing wrong with using silicone, but if you're going to varnish your painting afterwards, you really have to make sure that all of that silicone is washed off, and that can be difficult to do. So, having this Australian Floetrol as the alternative is it's awesome, and I love the waves that I can create. So, wish me luck that this is going to be exactly what I want it to be, since this didn't work out the way I wanted it to. This is a Dutch pour, obviously, with my flower blow dryer. It did not work out the way I wanted it to, and I just have to practice it more. I mean, I don't even know what that looks like. A worm, maybe? Thank you very much for watching. I hope this dries exactly like this. Wish me luck. This one wasn't too messy either, but I love the waves right here, so I'm hoping it dries just like this. Stay tuned.